This is the question I would like to ask the Jamaica Labour Party supporters them who believed that they are on the right path of supporting the right governance. Why you think Andrew HOLNESS candidates are defending him at any cost? So when him go say the Labour them a plan for turn of the yard and don't go vote, I know nothing new. Might be something new to him, but it's nothing new to the Jamaican people. Jamaica is sick and tired of the Jamaica Labour Party administration, and that's a fact. And it's all playing out now. So that's why you see every Labour right MP run round and do something now, because them sister boy, the 2020 election is a gimmicks election. The Jamaica Labour Party MP them that won in 2020 is realizing now that the 2020 election was a jokey election. Real election war just start. Real election movement just start. So whatever occurred in the 2020 election, that was foolishness. Real PNP river come down now. So when you speak about landslide, you guys going to see the real landslide now, and that's what the JLP candidate them are seeing now. They are seeing that, listen, Jamaican people has had enough, and they're going to get voted out. Continue to like the live peeps and share it. Yeah? So when you see them two JLP supporters here supporting Mark Golding, I know nothing normal. They're demonstrating that, listen, we don't want to continue on this path anymore. We need change. I'm see them come up with a slogan, say, they choose Jamaica. So for the 9 or 10 years they in power, who they did that choose? Themselves and them cronies and them family. So 10 years has passed, and none of whom never come up with this slogan of choosing Jamaica. But all of a sudden, una choose Jamaica. When you see say boy, Jamaican people turn back on uno and go vote out. Uno literally realize what is happening now. Uno come talk about uno choose Jamaica. The first 10 years, the first the 2 term were gone already. After you, your cronies, and your friend and your family. So uno go do something now. After uno set fool yourself for Jamaica. No, we don't want no government with answer. We don't want a government who come in a power just to set themselves. Make sure them friend good. Me see Mark Golding come out and lash out, do a lot of protests in many parishes just to demonstrate that, listen, there's no way on earth Mr. Chang is qualified for the job, for the FID, the financial institution. Mark Golding come out and demonstrate that, listen, there's no way on earth that nigger is qualified for the job. And what you guys do, the private sector me talk to now. The private sector me talk to now. A fool no time you know. Uno sit down and watch the government. I do be a slackness and foolishness in our country. Be a bad governance. And uno as the private sector sit down and silent. Silent. After the man try to hold Jamaica hostage and hold us at a ransom. This JLP government is not healthy for no country. No country in the world don't want an Andrew HOLNESS administration. No country. Not even one. No country in the world would not accept a Jamaica Labour Party administration. And at Jamaica, we have them. I give them forward down here so, like say Ray. Like say them are the best thing since sliced bread. Andrew HOLNESS administration is the worst administration ever lay foot in parliament to lead and govern this country that we call Jamaica. So when you see Mark Golding jump around the other day and be a protest all over the country, I try to make the Jamaican people hear what is and get an idea of what is happening in their country. That they literally change the requirement of the FID just to appoint a man that they can control. That's the type of government we have leading us. They want somebody to be in power so that to hold a position so that when them ready to get a forward, they just make 1-2 call. Just make one phone call and things happen. And things disappear. That's the type of government that is in power now. They want to make one phone call and things disappear. Continue to light the live peeps as you listen and share it. Yeah? That's what they want to do, you know. Because see the private sector come out now, I come go on like them big bad and bold. I say, boy, the appointee is not suitable and not qualified for the job. And when the PNP vloggers them come and tell the old fat old labor right them, say, listen to me. Chung no qualify for the job. You see a bad mind we have for Mr. Chung. Bad mind. Bad mind is him a go on. Every little thing where PNP talk about and lash out on, PNP have bad mind. How if you have bad mind for corruption? Why a man would have bad mind for your next man where do corruption? PNP no depend that. Where you are do over there, so we no business with that. But you see, when we elect you to run the country, we business with you. You depend Jamaica paycheck. So if you are an MP, you depend Jamaica paycheck. If you are a councillor, you depend Jamaica paycheck. If you are a house speaker, you depend Jamaica paycheck. If you are a senate, you depend Jamaica paycheck. If you are a prime minister, you depend Jamaica paycheck. So Jamaicans have all rights of lashing out at the government. Because we hire you guys to be in power. Yeah? We hire you guys to be in power. We hire you guys to lead us, to handle the Jamaican purse for us. So there's no way on earth you should be thinking that, listen, I'm here the government, you know, nobody not supposed to talk to me. No. I don't say work, madam. I don't say work. You were elected to lead the nation. And leading the nation come with consequences. And these are the consequences now. We are not pleased of your governance. We are not pleased of it. We want someone who have a pure heart, clean hands, and integrity to run our country. We don't want nobody we are trying to put 10 years ahead of us. So them going to power, do 2 terms, set themselves, and then I try to fix things now. If make we kind of dip on one level. No. We want when we elect somebody, then go in a power and go start fix the country. Fix the economy. Fix the Jamaican people them. Cost of living. Cost of living is too high. Eh? Una play with people. Una play with people emotion. Una make it look like some boy. Una do this. When in reality, you guys are not doing it. That's how you make it seem, you know. You make it seem like, yes, we are do this. But in a reality, you guys are not doing it. It's like a delusional thing. Did you know that all these roads that they are patching, them are patch it like a feed them money I spend. I say, man, I patch a road, you know, like then get 20 million and then say, oh, 10 million I use out of this, you know. I say, man, them a grab the money, you know. Then get 20 million for dash up on the road and them a tell themselves, say, yo, 10 million. So watch ya. You see, if over there, so if you get 5 million, bossy in post the 5 million up there for me. For 8 different places. Yeah. And then the next 5 million, you boss for about 10 different places. I say, man, them a deal with taxpayers' money, like a feed them. The man them a control the money like a feed them. Them a dictate how them want to fix the country. We don't want a government who don't care about the people of Jamaica. We want a government that care about the people of Jamaica and implement and enforce policies to benefit our Jamaican people. That's what we want. So when you see them two nigga, two GLP supporters, a par with Mark Golan, it's a great demonstration that, listen, enough is enough. I've rallied around you guys over the years, and I'm not seeing any benefits for me and my family. So right now, I have to go over PNP and see what over there. So. Them the demonstration, the man them are sending on. That's the message they're sending. Me they are too long. And a time now for me go one side over there so. Go see what PNP over there so I do. Because me they over here so long and nothing now go on for me. Now let us just reason out that for a minute. Why me say nothing now go on for me? Yeah, we there so now. And minimum wage has been stagnant. Stagnant, can't move. The man literally control how much money one low class somebody get. Like he must say, boy, you don't deserve it, even though you spend off half of that in a fear. You spend off half of that in a fear. But even if it is not half, you have to check lunch in it too. So by the time you reach home, after you pay, you know, want 5 grand. For the weekend. That can buy food, that can send picnic to school. But him not care. I want a government that cares. I want a government that cares, that makes sure so me can make one money for my youth them eat food and get clothes in and go to school. I want a government who provide housing for all Jamaicans. Not just a few. Because right now, if we just take off the blindfold off our eye and just look out our eye and pay attention, you can see that it's 2 Jamaica. It's 2 Jamaica. 1 Jamaica over there so for you rich, and 1 Jamaica over here so for you poor. And the middle class. So we don't want no 2 Jamaica, we want 1 Jamaica. We want a Jamaica that look out for all Jamaicans. That's what we want. Yeah? So when Mr. Warmington, I go tell him supporters them, say, listen to me, on a plan for turn on the yard. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Warmington say, on a plan for turn on the yard. Yeah? And don't go vote for an MP. Why you think he's thinking like that? Mr. Warmington is thinking like that because he know for a fact that a lot of labor rights now go vote, and that is going to give PNP the win. So see it like theme where him hold for how much years. Him know for a fact say him won't lose. He knows that he's going to get voted out. No question asked. Him feel it already. Him know. Him rally around the constituency. He has done his canvas and he has realized. He has realized it. That listen, them people are not giving no forward. Normally me I keep one local rally and place ram. The whole around so full up. Inside full, outside full. That now go on in another election, yeah? That now go on in another election, yeah? And that Mr. Warmington sit down and pray, you know? See, that's why I cuss up so much bad word, because when I junkie man junk, people are comment on me post like say I junk the man junk. I don't junk the man junk. The man just can't believe. Say my rally were in his own constituency and the numbers not adding up. He knows. So anybody we can't see say PNP are going to win is a blind somebody. Anybody we can't see say PNP are going to win the next election, you are blind. Me, I tell you that straight. You are a blind somebody and you're nasty. You need to go the eye doctor, go get a checkup because your eye no good. Mr. Warmington see it. That's why the frustration hit him. I'm not junkie in junk. The frustration hit him because guess what? Them a rally around, them a turn, them a move, them a go in the street and lane. But guess what? The normal vibration is not there anymore. That vibration is not there anymore. The people them has drift and move away from the Jamaica Labour Party movement. It's like one look into himself and say, how if he elect back an ex-prime minister where can't declare his asset? Where can't tell me how he come by in riches? It's like the Jamaican people, them literally a wake up. The Jamaica Labour. How me if you have one prime minister where can't tell me how he rich? He can't tell me how he getting asset them. He can't tell me how his son rich. He can't tell me how his wife rich. But yet still, he want me come vote for him again. And I tell me say, I feel me time now. So the 10 years them when me give him already, I did for him time and him friend and him family. And him cronies them. That the 10 years they went do already, no include me. So why would I go out now and say, me I go vote for a Jamaica Labour Party candidate? When you have so much candidate from the Jamaica Labour Party side, the JLP side, you have so much candidate where in a them constituency is so terrible. Then go on and tell all kind of lies, say, yo, vote for me, I go fix road, me I give you water. And 2 terms has passed. And then road no fix, and then no get no water. And you will come again, I say, vote for me, I go give you road and water. So, an idiot you take me for? And that the Jamaica Labour Party supporters them say to themselves, you know. You know, sister, this MP take me for idiot. The MP take me for idiot. A idiot the MP take me for. Because 10 years ago, she and him tell me say, I am going to fix your road and me will give you water and you'll get street light and me go build one community center. Me go do one field down there so and 10 years has passed. And I'll no one field no bill. I'll no one community center no bill. And if every community center we did it, you know renovate. I'll know me road no fix. I'll know me no get water. But you can tell me again, say me must vote for you again. That's what the Jamaica Labour Party supporters them are saying. Like, I idiot. That MP you take me for. Eh? When you see the big man them come out and say enough is enough and start rally around PNP, you think I don't chattings? The man them sick and tired of the Jamaica Labour Party administration. Them sick and tired of them. Because the man them have so much dictatorship. Them have dictatorship in every single sector. How can we vote in another corruption administration like this again? How can we in our right mind give these people one more chance? After we have so much corruption among us within the Jamaica Labour Party administration. So when Mr. Warmington say, "Una plan for turn on the yard, and no come out come vote for the MP," but he must beg them say, they must shut their eye and come vote for Andrew HOLNESS. Damage ballot that you know, because you shut your eye, you don't know what you do. So, Warmington literally a beg vote for Andrew HOLNESS. What is Andrew HOLNESS hiding that his candidate is on a political platform begging for him. So somebody in the comment section say Andrew Holness must go. No, this is the question I would love to ask all Labour right. Because they are so dunce that they literally do not take time out. They don't take time out. You there in a football field and play football, the football player them take time out. You there on the basketball and play basketball, the basketball team take time out. Every game in the world take time out. But the Jamaica Labour Party supporters them do not take time out. Somebody say Andrew Holness must call the election. Yes, right now. Because if me could have voted 10 times, me vote 10 times. Because me want to multiply by 10. Whichever vote PNP get, me want to multiply by 10. Yeah. Yeah. So, this is the question I would like to ask the Jamaica Labour Party supporters them who believed that they are on the right path of supporting the right governance. Why you think in the back of your head, take a time out, man, and listen, man. And take a time out and meds for a minute. Why you think Andrew Holness candidates are defending him at any cost? Like Andrew Holness can't lose. What if Andrew Holness lose? Trump lose where there? And he go sit down for 5 years and come back again. So he go sit down for 4 years and come back again. So what make Andrew can lose and go fix up where he fix up and straighten up where he straighten up, clean up in party, get rid of the 110-year-old man them out of party and go straighten up the party and come back again. Me want to ask a question there. Why Andrew Holness can lose and go get rid of the 100-year-old MP them we have? Where you try to tell me, say? Nothing no wrong. Them just want him win back. No. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. What are they protecting? Because right now, it seems that they are protecting Andrew Holness. At all costs. Labour rights, JLP supporters are uno me talk to. Why you think the candidates them are protecting Andrew Holness at all costs? I'm waiting and I'm not black nobody. Me not black nobody. Me not mute nobody. Me just want you come tell the Jamaican people that's on my life, that's watching, why the candidates them, the JLP candidates them, are protecting Andrew Holness. Because that's how it seems now. That's how it seems, that's how it feels, that's how it looks. You hear me I tell you now? That's how it feels, that's how it looks. That they are protecting their leader. My question is, why can't Andrew Holness lose the election? What is going to happen if Andrew Holness lose the election? Wow, one bomber go drop a Jamaica and everybody all dead. You don't tell me what go on, man, because I want to learn what go on. You tell me what go on. One bomber go drop in a Jamaica and everybody go dead. Jamaica go blast up if Andrew Holness lose. What happened? What happened? Talk to me. Talk to me. Because me I listen. Talk to me. Me I listen. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. What's going to happen if Andrew Holness lose? Is he going to go to prison? Are you telling me that Andrew Holness would be under investigation if he lost the election? That's what you're telling me? That if he lost the election, he would be under investigation? Wow. Wow. Well, me see that coming, you know. I don't know if you all see that coming, but I see that coming. Yeah, man, want to take a time out for big up Mark Golding, my general for life. I haven't spoke with him in a while, but he knows that we are on the same team. He's a very busy man now. He knows that we are on the same team. Yeah? So, just want to take a time out for big him up. I'm a general for life. Yeah, man. Yeah? Big up me Dan from Galliville. Yeah, one Dan, Sken Dan. Everybody knows say I one Dan already, yeah? No joke about it. Yeah, man, no stupidness. Yeah, man, one Dan. Yeah, and big up my PNP supporters them, and my friends them, and my families them. And all the person who always tune in for my life, just to lend me the support that I truly deserve. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, me have to burn the fire here now today, because of blood and fire we are spit here now. Yeah, in the name of Jesus. Yeah, man, because we have to mash down our lies now. We have to mash down everything. We have to deal with the thing properly so that the Jamaican Labour Party supporters them can realize that, listen, we are fighting like Nanny and Paul Bogle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We are fighting like them, man. Yeah, man, and Marcus Garvey. Because we can't make the Jamaica Labour Party destroy our country and get away with it. No. 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 We cannot allow it. We cannot allow it. We have to fight back. Yeah? And we not going to do no physical fight where we turn over no M16 and no Glock. Yeah, man, for nobody. We not turn on nothing for nobody. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A prayer we praying, man. Prayer we are praying, man. And move in one peace and harmony, man. So that we can move forward in good health and peace. So we not go on like some boy, we are go turn over this thing like some 1980 election. No, them days they are for the days. We're gone already. We're not upon that. We're not moving on a path. We're moving in peace. And we're going to have a good transition of power. Mark Golding will be our next Prime Minister. You know how many times I post a video on my page where I'm saying that Mark Golding will be our next Prime Minister. Guaranteed. And persons came in on their lending their voices, stating that, listen, Mark Golding could never be a Prime Minister of Jamaica. You're a madman. And you're a mad woman. I'm telling you that straight. Anybody who feels say Mark Golding now win, you're a madman. You're blind. You know see what I go on. You are a blind man and you are a blind woman. I'm going to tell you how you're blind. I'm going to tell you the leadership of Mark Golding have now. Right now, the party is at a standing point in this day and age. I don't think the party has ever been at this level. All of the candidates them good. All of the candidates them good. Mark Golding has created a team to attack and fight against corruption. And nothing normal. And guess what? The same man that you said cannot be Prime Minister got all his candidates to get certified by the Integrity Commission. That's powerful leadership. That's good leadership. That's strong leadership. So what are you telling me? I don't want a man like this to run the country. Trust me. You know hear what Warmington say? This person that just come in. You know hear what Warmington say? Warmington say on stage that you mean to tell me say you really are going to make the PNP them come out and vote? Because the PNP them now go turn on their general. Listen to me. Anybody where post them comment here supposed to stop post it now. I mean, backlash is a must, you know. But sometimes we have to know our limits and backlashing our own. The own that I'm speaking about is the same person who turned their yard in the 2016 election or the 2015 election. And it's the same individuals that turned them yard in the 2020 election and did not came out and vote. So what I'm saying is, those individuals demonstrate that they are ready for change. And they came out and voted in the local election and gave Mark Golding the win. And that's where I'm heading. Them say Mark Golding could never win an election in Jamaica. And Mark Golding won the local election the other day. Right now, Mark Golding have the Clarendon Municipal Corporation. And your Prime Minister is not telling you that PNP win Clarendon, a municipal corporation. He's not telling you. You know why he's not telling you? Because you are going to take him for a liar. When PNP contest the Annan Town division in Clarendon, PNP won that division, won it over back, and gave them the edge, gave them the lead. So a PNP mayor should be in Mapen Town right now as we speak. Because the 1 year ain't get up already, from March gone. I don't tell lie, you know, I speak facts. Yeah? I speak facts. I don't tell lie on my platform. The PNP government, the PNP administration, won the local government the other day and gave Mark Golding his first election win. A matter of fact, it is his second election win. Because he ran an internal election with Lisa Hanna and beat her by far. Big numbers. Big numbers. It wasn't a close election. So he won that election against Lisa Hanna, the internal election, fair and square. I want if you not hear me, I say. When you listen to the sound of my voice, you know, because me not chat foolishness and me not tell lie when me come on my platform. Mark Golding, the man with them second with no election in Jamaica, won his first election when he run against Lisa Hanna, one of the most popular female in Jamaica. Let us proceed. Mark Golding won the local election. PNP got over 15 more seats than the Labour right. That is a clear win. PNP got over 26,000 more votes than the Labour right. That's a clear win. So how you going to talk about say Mark Golding can't win no election in Jamaica? You are a madman and you are blind. You need to go by court up to go see if you can obtain a glass. Because you are a blind man, you can't see. So you just believe in yourself. Say, you can read too, you know. You can do the maths too, you know. You can do your addition, you know, your take away, you know. You can do it. And no boy can't stop that. The whole of the best municipal corporation, them, a PNP run them off right now. The whole of the leading municipal corporation, them, a PNP run them off. A PNP run them off.